In this video, I'm going to show you how to redo in Adobe Illustrator. If you've performed any action in Adobe Illustrator and you need to undo it, you can easily do that using the simple default key combination of Ctrl and Z on Windows or Command and Z on Mac. However, if you try to redo an action using the same default keys, it will not work that way. To redo any action in Illustrator, you need to press Ctrl, Shift, and Z together if you're using Windows, or Command, Shift and Z if you're on Mac. Once you do that, your actions will redo one by one in the order they were originally performed. If you prefer to redo actions manually or want to check the commands, you can also access them through the menu. To do this, click on the Edit option at the top navigation bar of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll find both Undo and Redo options. You will also be able to see the shortcut commands listed next to these options. This allows you to manually redo any action by selecting the option directly from the menu. And that's how you can redo in Adobe Illustrator.